Good morning, Jamaican insiders. Welcome to Jamaica before 7. Right now I'm on Oxford Road and this is what we're going to do today. So this is Oxford Road Jamaica before 7 a.m. So on Oxford Road there are quite a few car dealerships. So you can say Kia Motors is here. Also there is Audi car dealership here as well. Next door to that, Volkswagen. And Porsche does some service work here. Turning onto Rippon Road. Time right now is 6:25 and already people are up and about. On our left is the building for NIS, National Insurance Scheme. Just passed by the infamous Pali Royal. Straight ahead is Azan, that blue and white building. Now we're back onto Oxford Road, Haining Road on our right, Norwood Road on our left. Let's have a quick look. These seem to be some apartments. Alright, so leaving Norwood Avenue, back onto Oxford Road. Now. The Dorchester set of apartments. You open? Morning, sir. Are you open? The Oasis. What you have for breakfast? Oh. Oh, okay, okay. So I'm very early then. Okay, okay. All right then. Thanks much. This is the Oasis restaurant. They serve lunch between 10 and 4, as I just heard. Not breakfast. And so we continue on Oxford Road. Development Bank of Jamaica on our left just now. More apartments on our left. Emancipation Park on our left.
Going by the Planning Institute of Jamaica on our left, the former home of the US Embassy here in Kingston.
Haining Road on our left. Oh, I should mention, if you're on social media, definitely follow me, Jamaican Insider. I'm at Jamaican_insider on Instagram, and you can find me on Facebook as well, Jamaican Insider. That's the page. There's also the Jamaica Insiders Facebook group, so definitely follow me and stay in touch. Oxford Park Avenue. So this is a parking lot for the bank, BNS, Bank of Nova Scotia. And right now we're looking at some apartments.
Alright, I'm gonna leave it here for today. Thank you so much for watching.